Hey everyone, welcome to another video, and just a quick video. Was it start of the week, middle of the week, whatever it is. I do night, so days are all mixed up. I picked up 4 fragrances recently, so I thought I would show you people. 3 are brand new, 1 was second hand but brand new, if you know what I mean. It was open, never used, which was a limited edition. So yeah, they're all, I think, predominantly all sort of summerish type of fragrances. But we've got some, what is it, Azzaro, 2 Azzaro fragrances, 1 Tommy Hilfiger and 1 from Diesel. So I hope you're all doing alright, having a good time. I haven't made many videos. Simple fact is that currently from now till Christmas I'm doing a 6-day week, and it's just, I need sleep and rest and everything else that I need to do in between. So it's just difficult to get the time and that. Like today, not long woken up a couple of hours ago, and I'm sitting here at what, 11:30 at night, making a video, because it's the only day I've got off. I'm at work technically tomorrow night in about 24 hours time. So let's crack on with first fragrance. And no, sorry, 2 were second hand and 2 were brand new. So the first second hand one is it's a Tommy Hilfiger, Tommy Now, Them. So I love the packaging now. I love anything like the Tommy Hilfiger colours. I was actually thinking of one of their jackets. So Tommy Hilfiger, there we go. It's one of these. Now it's one of them that when you first spray it, when I first got it, it smelt of nothing. So this is going to have time in the bottle. Now I've had this 3 or 4 days, and every day I spray 1 or 2 out, and you give it a good shake a couple of times during the day, and it seems to be slowly starting to open up. It smells like a fresh, spicy. That's pretty much what it smells like. I made a decision. I'm only really going to review the things that I like, that I really enjoy. So we'll see how any of these, if none of these turn up on my channel, that'll be the reason why. Maybe I don't like them. If I do review them, it's you know I'm gonna like them enough to review. So Tommy Now, Them. I think you can buy this for about £35 brand new, and I paid 25. So I think I got it off eBay. So yeah, and it is authentic, all the numbers match and everything else. So yeah, that's the first one. Okay, second one, which will be the first from Azzaro, which will be my first brand new from new. And this one, Azzaro Pour Homme Flanker, and this is the low version. Okay, so I have like unboxed most of these. I'm looking, I've had them all for around about a week, some a little bit longer. So here's the bottle. Nice bottle. Information and everything. These are on top. So yeah, like a fresh yuzu kind of scent, with a little bit hint of the original behind it. I wanted to try some Azzaros. I haven't got an Azzaro for ages, so I thought I'd pick up a couple of the new Azzaros, newish, and this one took my fancy, being a low version, or a fresh version, water version of the original. So again, nice packaging, nice silvery. So that was my second purchase. Alright, we'll go with the other Azzaro, as my last pickup was sort of a limited edition, and it's something I'll use, but it's more of a mantelpiece thing. I don't know. Anyway, this one, again, Azzaro Chrome Sport. So yeah, I like the bottle of this one as well. And although I have only worn it a few times, I quite like the smell of this one. Again, it's one that needed to open up, but now it's starting to open up. I'm getting all the scents in there. So Azzaro Crown Sport. Love the bottle, slim design. And if you can hear water, it's peeing down the rain. I mean, it's chucking it. It really is like a storm kind of weather, rain. But yeah, Azzaro Crown Sport. There's the camera. Yeah, but I've worn it a few times. I think it's okay. The more I've worn it, the more it's starting to open up. So yeah, fresh summery scent. I don't want to say any more about any of these because I may review them, I may not. So yeah. So next one and final one is well, it's limited edition, so I don't know how limited it is. But I never saw one before. I didn't know it existed till I saw it. So yeah, I won't badger on anymore. This one is a diesel Only the Brave, and this is Life is an Odyssey limited edition, designed by Bunker. There's the box. Diesel. Okay. And it's Only the Brave. The first one. It's juice. That's what it is. So there's nothing special about the juice. It's the bottle. It's just designed by Bunker, but it's still the original Only the Brave fragrance. So here is the bottle. Okay. As if I do a review, which I probably will, because I do like Only the Brave fragrance, then you'll see this one in a bit closer detail. So yeah, more of a showpiece, like a collector's item. I don't generally collect fragrances, but I do like the diesel hand or fist. So I want to maybe collect a few of these, the more special ones. But yeah, I like that. Only the Brave. So that's, and I've actually got it. I forgot how much I actually enjoyed this one. Most of the flankers, not really, but the original I do actually really enjoy. Came out some time ago, I think. Was it early 2000s? Mid 2000s it came out, something like that, I can't remember. And of course the iconic diesel rings. You used to be able to get those, I don't think you can anymore. But yeah, love it, absolutely love it. So let me know in the comments what you think. I didn't pay any more for this than just a regular bottle of this, in fact a little less. There was on eBay, there was one bidder, so I put a bid above that and I won it. So there was only 2 bids on it. So again, I don't know exactly how rare they are or not. Probably not, but I just love the look of it. So yeah, that's my pickups. I mean, this one I wanted a bottle of it anyway, because I used to wear this back in the day. I certainly wore at least one bottle of it. It's a bit more of nostalgia for me, this one as well. But then I saw this limited edition one and I like the look of it, so I was going to buy one anyway, and then I won this one, and it's the limited version, so I still might buy another one so I don't use the juice so much out of this one. But I bought it more for the bottle because I like the bottle. Yeah, I like glassware, especially in the fragrances. So that's it. That is my current pickups. Say over the last 2 to 3 weeks, I don't buy that many anymore. but I just had a bit of a splurge, and all those were all cheap. They were all sort of around the £20 to £25 mark each. So I hadn't bought any fragrances for a while, so hey, why not give some stuff a try. Definitely really enjoy the Only the Brave. So I've got that on. Oh, the scent of that is lovely. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. Hope you're not stuck out in this absolute pour down weather. I would be at work right now, but they have to give me a day off. So I've got today off, which is nice. So I'm gonna sit back, watch a few movies with a nice curry and maybe a bottle of cider. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon on the next video.